initial bond at $1.25 million, based upon the fact of how many people were in the courtyard, were here at the courthouse, and the seriousness of all these felonies, and his bond status. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So,
might have to drop a dime on this.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta stop it.
I don't like that shit.
For sure, bro.
I don't like that shit.
Alright, y'all, we back with another video, man. Y'all know how we do. Always pushing help, hoping to better understand themselves. They got him. So, this is a good feeling for Black Americans right now, because we seeing somebody get justice for provoking us, wanting us to, you know, jump off the cliff for disrespect. So, a lot of people feel good, like they see this and they like, yes, this is what, you know, justice. And the look on his face when Chud got that $1.25 million bond, he was just, his heart just dropped. Okay? That feeling there, seeing that was like, yeah, he now realized you're doing some goofy stuff. And they ain't really standing with you. He thought the system was gonna back you. You know, he's seen all of the, you know, the history of the George Zimmermans and all of the, you know, the people who want to stand your ground and want to play with that. We get to see it fail. So that's why the judge in the courtroom had to say, hey man, y'all calm down. We don't want to see no celebration or anything, because he know this is a win for us. FBA wins again. Okay, we undefeated, undisputed. You know, it's another victory for us. So I'm gonna let y'all hear the court hearings. Make sure y'all check out the GoFundMe for, I had a link in the description, man. We gotta support our brother who got hit up, you know. But we're going live tonight. Make sure y'all tap into that, man. We're gonna give links to the Discord, but y'all check this out. Without further ado, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let's get it.
You can't do that. I will give you a chance to go ahead and leave now, because anybody that calls any kind of disturbance at all is subject to being in direct contempt and serving 10 days in jail and a $50 fine or both. Just want you to know that. We're not going to put up with any outbursts or any shenanigans today. Okay? Any questions? Okay. What do we got? State versus Dalton Etherly. And bring Mr. Etherly out. Good morning, Mr. Etherly. Good morning, Mr. You're here this morning in case number 26 CR 5295. You're charged in count 1 of criminal homicide, 39-13-201. That's an A felony. It's punishable by 15 to 60 years in state penitentiary. Count 2 is employment of firearm during a dangerous felony, 39-17-13-24. That's a D felony. Normally, that range of punishment would be 2 to 4 years in state penitentiary. However, by statute, this case is a charge is enhanced, and if you don't have any prior convictions, it's a mandatory 6-year sentence at 100%. Count 3 is act of assault with serious bodily harm, 39-13-102. It's a C felony, carries a range of punishment 3 to 15 years in state penitentiary. Count 4 is reckless endangerment with a deadly weapon, also a C felony, 3 to 15 years in state penitentiary. Have you hired an attorney yet, sir? You have?
Well, I have a change of him.
Okay, Mr. Finley is here. You been hired yet, Mr. Finley? I know you have a prior relationship with him in other cases.
No way, it's changed.
No, all right. So
Spots.
So I'm going to appoint Mr. Finley right now to represent you. Should you make your bond and you want to hire Mr. If you make bond, you're going to need to probably hire Mr. Finley. I'm going to set this for preliminary hearing on the 26th of May. All right. That'll be inside the 14 days, Mr. Finley. Does that work for your calendar?
Check this.
Yes.
Is it built?
Not yet. I'm about to do that. I want to make sure he's got an attorney and all that stuff first.
Yes, sir, May 26th.
Okay. All right, bond. Bond's not been said yet. General, do you have a position on bond today?
You know, Mr. Etherly is on bond on two cases, one from here, one from Davidson County.
Okay.
Pending a hearing where the court can be informed and make a decision based on bond factors. I respectfully request to be held without bond until a day we can have the hearing.
Okay.
So the court can make an informed decision. Right now, it would just be arbitrary.
Okay.
Setting a number.
All right. Thank you, General. When the court sets bond, if we have a bond, when we have a bond hearing, we'll consider TCA 4011-118. The overriding intent of that statute now is to protect the public interest and public safety. Mr. Easley's on bond apparently on several other matters when this matter was allegedly committed. I'm looking at an A and then really a super D, a C, really three C's and an A really for tracking kind of purposes. It's pretty serious.
Your Honor mentioned criminal homicide. I thought that was attempted.
I said, did I say homicide? I meant to say attempted criminal homicide if I didn't.
Okay.
I thought I did, but that's still an A felony.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So bail's we're gonna have a bail.
I'm going to set just a bond right now after we have our bail hearing. Then I'll let you make all the arguments. We can go through all the factors in the statute and see if that gets amended up or down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to set initial bond at 1.25 million, based upon the fact of how many people in the courtyard were here at the courthouse, and the seriousness of all these felonies, and his bond status. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the 26th at 9 o'clock, I'm sorry, the 21st at 9 o'clock for a bond hearing, and the 26th at 9 for a preliminary hearing right here. Does that work for everybody's calendar? General, does that work for the state?
Yes.
All right.
Just for the court's information, Mr. Finley, the state is going to request and file a source hearing when and if there's an attempt to make bond.
Okay. Is there any objection of us taking all those matters up at the bond hearing on the 21st? And Mr. Finley, do you have any objection to doing it that way? That's the most efficient way, I think.
Judge, we'll try and have everything lined up for
Okay. All right. Anything else, Mr. Finley, for you today?
those.
Martin, from the state? Okay. That'll conclude these proceedings today, okay? We'll be in recess.
A community must have three things to have a community in it. You must have a wholly independent economic structure that can provide goods, service, products, and things for your own people, and jobs and tax bases for your own people. You should at least control four basic things. You should be trying to control water, food, medicine, and energy to be able to survive and compete.
Here we got Mr. Pollock. He had a cornfield. He took advantage of a free water test from us, and this is what we found in this water. We found sulfur, we found hardness, and we solved these problems with an easy fix of 2 tanks. So get your free water test today. Stay blessed. Click the link below.